like lately, you've been running through my mind, got me calling you baby. See, there's nothing on your schedule, so boy, you should date me. All these women in the world said you never replace me, my baby. Cause I never get this much attention. My intentions were so clear from the beginning. Used to chase all of these women, now you're chillin'. I remember used to speak all on our feelings, about how we were young, about all of our fun. You kept it all together, always said I was the one. You called me little mama, said I never brought the drama. Always kept me rolling marijuana, sparking up my thoughts, you sparking up my interest, you sparking up my vision. You always kept me growing, and I never really noticed. Well, maybe this is different, maybe this time is different. Cross my fingers, it'd be different. I could tell from the beginning that lately, you've been running through my mind, got me calling you baby. See, there's nothing on your schedule, so boy, you should date me. All these women in the world said you never replace me, my baby.
See, lately you've been all on my mind, and I'ma keep it 100, you were one of a kind. And I just couldn't understand why I was feeling this way, cause every single day I get butterflies like MJ. You text me, how you doing? I said I'm good. Shit, I've been in the studio, I do what I do. I text him, how was your day? He said it's cool, but it'd be like 10 times better, baby, if I was with you. Damn, got me feeling like a kid again. Spark another wood head, turning like a ceiling fan. All my girls say you talk about me all the time, and when we together, your heartbeat match mine. Catch this wave, rock to my rhymes, never slipping. If you ain't catching the vibe, then you tripping. Always coming through when I be feeling alone, and I ain't gonna forget about you when I'm gone.
Catch vibes, catch vibes, catch vibes. Swear that's the best vibe. Like lately, you've been running through my mind, got me calling you baby. See, there's nothing on your schedule, so boy, you should date me. All these women in the world said you never replace me, my baby. Yeah. Fly as Capricorn and I'm in this. I know it's been a minute. I've been stacking up on my self-worth, and I'm back up in this with a vengeance. I spit so y'all can really hear me, and I spit so y'all can really feel me. Life is a real ass bitch, but a real ass bitch about to drop this shit. I was 17, vibing out with my homies, back when y'all didn't know me. Ain't going back to that old me shit. I ain't even really know me. Super sweet, but don't sugarcoat me. Never fell for dreams that they sold me. Always wrote when I would get lonely. When I was lonely, I would think about all the things that I wanted. People couldn't believe what I wanted. My dreams were only just dreams till I plotted that I would never, ever stop till I got it. I would never, ever stop. 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 I would never, ever, ever, ever stop. I would never, ever, 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 ever catch vibes, catch vibes. Coming live from the 213 or the 323. If you're feeling me, if you're feeling me, I'm in the vibe all the time. Why these niggas keep stressing me? Why these niggas keep pressing me? Why these lames keep testing me? Oh no, oh no. In a minute I'll be ready to blow. Stay poppin' cause I'm next to blow. Told these niggas way back before. Don't get too comfortable. Don't get too comfortable. Sweaters wanna make me extra cold. Don't get too comfortable. I would never, ever, ever stop. I would never, ever, ever, ever stop. No.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim.
Yeah, catch vibes. I'm dialing your number, baby boy, pick up. Remember when you used to slide through? I'm here, what's up? We could keep it on the low, we grown, I ain't in no rush. No, my time is money, spend it all on you. I know what you wanna do. Don't rush. Don't rush, don't rush. I know what you wanna do. Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. I'ma take my time. I'ma take my time. Now that we're here, let's get this thing cracking. All them niggas in the past, they was all just practice. If I make my move, gotta keep it on the LO dub. How you vibing with a G that'll keep shit 101? But don't play no games tonight, you should already know. I know everything you like, so I'ma do it plus more. I know you're mesmerized, I'm a 6+4. There ain't no rush, so I'ma take it real slow. I know what you wanna do. Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. I know what you wanna do. Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. I'ma take my time. I'ma take my time. Think I'm going crazy, crazy. You ain't even my baby, baby. We ain't got no title, but why though? In the
Once we go black, he'll be back again. I lead the packs on my backs to them. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young tail tip, rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my
Please help. I'm helpless.
back of my mind though, your mind though. Ain't nobody keep you on your toes just like I do. Ain't nobody gon' love you, love you.